Good morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. Yes, I'm in my office. It's Tuesday morning. I slept a little better last night. I'm so glad because the night before, oh wow. It's cloudy out there. There's not supposed to be any rain here in Sutter County, California, but there's weather all over the nation. I'm sorry for the international folks. I really don't pay attention to what's going on weather-wise outside of the nation. I barely can keep track of what's going on here. If it wasn't for Mr. Bob Harlan with his morning forecasts, I probably wouldn't know either. I forgot to mention, speaking of weather, from Thursday through Saturday, this past, 2.5 inches of rain. My pool is full. Yes. And my poor backyard looks like a lake. Yeah, it's. Oops. Last night I prepared. Let me get this right. Peppercorn crusted steak with creamy peppercorn sauce over buttered egg noodles and carrot and peas. This was a fantastic meal. Instead of using beef, I used elk. The cut I used was elk backstrap, which is along the back of the spine. It was very good. It was perfect. I mean, the pepper. I mean, just a lot of pepper was used. When I did the rough grind for the pepper for the steaks, I actually added some white peppercorns as well. So I kind of did a little bit of a combo. Just a little bit of a blend. The carrots and peas, I sauteed a little bit of shallot, added some garlic powder, and full bodied. It was really good. I love the combination of carrots and peas. Tonight, I'm kind of going off the cuff. I found about a 1 pound portion of a pork tenderloin in the freezer. A lot of the meals this week, by the way, are going to be kind of, as I go. I have no set menu for the week. I have some ideas, but nothing's concrete. Like I told you earlier, less than a week ago, that things are a little different. So today I'm going to be doing a pork tenderloin stir-fry. I have to go to the store, but it's going to have onion, red bell pepper, zucchini, mushrooms. I'm going to add I have some of the carrot matchsticks still left in my produce drawer. Of course, it's going to have some garlic and some ginger, some green onions as a garnish. And I'm going to be using the wonderful Panda Express teriyaki sauce. We really like this sauce, and I don't want to build another sauce. I just want something simple and easy. And I'll be serving that over long grain white rice. So yeah, I look forward to this. I like all the veggies in it. Well, having my first coffee this morning, I read an article or two. It was really funny. There was two in my feed. Wood spoons or utensils versus metal. Honestly, they were talking about bacteria in the wood and yada, yada, yada. Honestly, unless science proves that the wood utensils are going to absorb bacteria and you're going to get sick, whatever. Because these articles I read were basically by other cooks or chefs. It's personal preference, folks. If you're using a nonstick pan, obviously you're not going to use a metal spoon or utensil. You're going to use wood or plastic, nylon, silicone, whatever. But it's all personal preference. I have my favorite cooking utensils. I absolutely do. And I own a lot. But we all have our favorites. We all know what works best. As long as you clean them and keep them clean, it's on you. It's your preference. You know best. So with that little bit of, I don't know what you want to call it, rambling, I hate these experts. It bugs me. I'm no expert. I'm learning every day. So, on this Tuesday, and I always say this on Tuesday because it's Taco Tuesday, don't forget to get your tacos from your favorite taqueria. Have a great day, eat great food, and as always,